Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is the 14th day of March 2020. You guys are at a good location into getting forward price predictions and forecasts in the cryptocurrency space. If it's your first time watching our video, again, we make our videos simple to see as well as simple to understand. But on top of that, you're able to see what we are seeing based off the market participation of cryptocurrencies. To give you all a heads up, plain and simple. This is your first time watching our video, you see how easy it is to understand and comprehend our language and our price chart. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, and then follow us on our other social media platform. Definitely want you all to become a part of this community that we are building, which is on the gram, Facebook, Twitter, as well as on our own website, HueFinancial.com. So now, XRP. We did a video on the 10th of March 2020, and let's show you the price action, the price history that has occurred from that particular day to today's current day. So not a surprise to see the market in XRP move lower. We mentioned and told you in that video that we didn't want to be the bearer of bad news, but we said in the long term that XRP could be making all-time lows. And it did that yesterday. As a matter of fact, the market in XRP touched 11 cents, or it tagged 11 cents. Wow. When you look at XRP on the weekly time frame, we are trading right now at the lows from when XRP first launched on the FOREX exchange. Right now, we're trading at the lows, all the way back from 2017, about 3 years ago. The market in XRP is right back to where we started in 2017. So all of the individuals who participated in XRP from at best 2017 from where we are now are at a losing position. From 2017 to today's day, everyone is in a loss position if they're still holding on to these XRP tokens. Amazing. Now, here we are looking at XRP on a weekly time frame. We have one more day to conclude this weekly price bar. The volume definitely is climactic. It is huge. It is monumental based off the historical volume that you can see on the bottom of our chart. The next closest high volume bar that we have is on the week of May 13th, 2019. We're at the bottom in XRP. The only way that many people you'll see and talk to will say it has to be a buy. We're at the low. We're at the low. Well, not necessarily. We are in a very new arena regarding cryptocurrencies, and these cryptocurrencies can still go to zero. Keep that in mind as you continue to see this market in XRP trade. Now, what I would tell you based off this price bar that we're getting currently in XRP is that market participation bought XRP at that low. 10 cents, 11 cents is where we're getting some viability of buyers entering the market. Simple. Resistance area based off the weekly price chart is around 20 cents. So 20, let me see. It's right here around 20 cents. Okay. So we're just going to update you all on the price forecast that we're getting into the market in XRP. Currently, if you guys were to take the forecast that we did, 5.66% at minimum could have been your profit taken out the bag. Or if you're still into the market to this day, no kidding, 27%. All right. So let's get rid of that. That is past historical information now. And we're going to talk about the market in XRP going forward. Like I said, the last 2 days is very sentimental in terms of what the market participation and the emotional aspect of the market is. Massive volume, massive spread. Next day, massive volume, massive spread. What happened? Like I told you, the market came in and bought up XRP at some very cheap prices. But are we done with that weakness and movement lower. Currently, based off the hourly time frame, we are not showing that the market is absolved of weakness, not yet, because we got rejection when we try to tag 16 cents to move higher. We still are noticing that we cannot tag above 16 cents. Looking at XRP on the 2-hour time frame, I do like, from an hourly perspective, the market is upholding well in XRP. I will give you that. Looking at it on a 3-hour chart, not so much, but it is. All right. So I'm not saying that the market overall is very, very bullish or looking to see higher price, but I would tell you that it's taking the brunt of that weakness that it endured the last 2 days. It's taking it well. Okay. I would feel a lot better if we were able to tag above 15.5 cents and 16 cents to definitely show you that continuation of movement higher in price in XRP is in store. As a matter of fact, we're going to continue to play that market though. And given the volatility in XRP over the last 2 days, we're going to have to play this on an hourly time frame to allow flexibility and movement in this cryptocurrency. Okay. So yeah, we're going to forecast the market in XRP to see some higher price. We know that 16 cents is resistance, so obviously we'll TP some of this forecast at 16 cents. Will still be a good profit, 4.75% market movement higher from where we are right now. And I'll top it up around 17 cents for the market in XRP to tag. Now we're only playing this on the 4-hour chart. Okay. So I'm still looking for this particular market in XRP to see higher price. Now, if you switch this over to a daily time frame, and we see a massive move in the cryptocurrency space in this upcoming work week, 18 cents definitely is a possibility as well too. All right. So I just wanted to give you all this update in XRP to see what to show you all what we're noticing on the price chart for this cryptocurrency. And like I always say, make sure you maintain a profitability. And I'm done.